Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, this video file cannot be played with the error code 233011, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to clear the browser cache and cookies. Let us say that the browser is the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on this bin symbol here. Change the time range to all time and then click on clear now. The next solution is to disable hardware acceleration. Now, in the case of Microsoft Edge, it's called graphic acceleration instead of hardware acceleration. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Type the word graphics, okay, and hit enter. The first option is system. Go to system. You'll find an option which says use graphics acceleration when available. Turn this off and restart the browser. The next solution is to disable extensions because they can cause interference. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. If you find any extensions here, then you can remove them. The last solution is to reset the browser. So return to the settings panel, go to reset settings, select restore settings to their default value and then select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.